Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Gardening, and in this episode we will be talking about the Matchstick Bromeliad or the Acmea gammacephala. This is called the Matchstick Bromeliad because the flower spikes resemble a matchstick. These are native to South Central America and they are grown for their almost iridescent florets. Unlike the Mundo, the flower spikes are short-lived and they last for less than a few weeks. The open section is where the pollination happens, if at all. This blooms for me especially during the winter months. So in this video, I will majorly be talking about propagation of this plant and more such bromeliads. The care tips are similar to the Mundo video I had done earlier. If you want an extensive look at its care, then you can watch that video. I'll link it above and in the description below. Also, I'll quickly tell you the basic care tips. This likes part shade but bright light conditions. You must water the cups of these plants along with the roots. Cleaning of the cups is advisable once in a while, not always. These are epiphytes and can grow in poor soil since they do not have a robust root system. Use shallow but wide containers if you're growing this in soil media. Pests are uncommon if you give this good air circulation and sunlight. Rot can set in if it is too wet all the time, though you must maintain a balance here since this loves humidity and water. Now, for its propagation, you can separate such mother plants that already have pups growing in them, or you can select anything that hasn't bloomed as yet. Don't worry about the roots. You see some aerial roots already here, that's enough. Now take organic material like charcoal, tree bark, or like in my case, some cocoa husk. You can bundle up some spent cocoa fiber from your cocoa hanging containers even. Now first, embalm the root system with these organic materials with a thread. I'm using a synthetic thread. You can use twine or woolen thread, whatever you can find at home. After you've fastened the media and the plant together, look for an organic anchor, and in my case, it will be this mango tree. You can use moss poles if you want, but choose only organic anchors. The roots will anchor better on such media. Please do not use metal or plastic media. I'm using the same thread now to fasten it to the tree. You don't have to use compost or anything here. Tighten the thread so that the plant remains snug and does not move. Water the plant from head to toe every day, ensuring water gets accumulated in the cup too. And after some time, you will see new pups and growth and vigor and vibrance that you can expect from a tropical plant. Also, while tying it to the tree, ensure that the cup remains upright so that the water does not fall out. If you want to fertilize this, use very diluted amounts of seaweed and spray the plant with it. Honestly, I do not do anything of that sort. I let the plant take its time and enrich itself with all the goodness nature has to offer, like dead insects, dead leaves, and debris that fall into the cup and fertilize it eventually. So folks, it does not matter what bromeliad you find, just lap it up and see how it can change you as a gardener. This is the only instance where a matchstick is not used to burn, but to illuminate our lives with its iridescent radiance. And with this, we've come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Gardening, and I really hope you enjoyed this particular program. Additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. And always remember, to grow slow is to grow well. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.